HOTO Electric Screwdriver review. Is it worth it? So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for the HOTO Electric Screwdriver. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, if you want to get special discounts or special promos on buying the HOTO Electric Screwdriver, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So here are some of the reviews right here that customers have made for the HOTO screwdriver. So we have one right here from a verified purchase, 5 stars. A great tool for DIY purposes, but not without its flaws. Love the tool, it feels nice in the hand, works perfectly and has a variety of bits, and the bit quality of the tool is very nice, but the case is imperfect. The color of the case doesn't match the color of the tool. When the tool came, the inside of the case has already had some marks and scratches. And then we have another one right here from Paul. Would not be without it. This is a quite remarkable design, ideal for most maintenance projects around one's property, whether it's assembling those confusing IKEA furniture packs or accessing the interior workings of electrical equipment. This drill set has all the variation of bits. So yeah, so as you can see right here, that people left a lot of 5-star ratings right here for the HOTO electric screwdriver. So yeah, so if you want to check out the HOTO electric screwdriver, and if you want to get a special discount or special promo when buying this, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.